asking for help, in particular yung mga rubber boats. How soon yung pagpapadala?
As soon as we can get in. As soon as makapasok kami. We will be doing that, and we are now beginning to marshal our assets, like for example rubber boats hanggang Mindanao. Kukunin na muna namin, dadali namin dito sa area na pangangailangan. We just got that report from Kamsur that half the province is underwater because they live in that the basin within Albay and Kamsur. Kaya yun ang talagang tinatamaan lagi ng baha. So as soon as we can, we will go in. As soon as we can. Kung kailangan, di naman mailipad ng helicopter yun. So kailangan truck ang magpapasok. Oo. So as soon as mag-clear, alam naman ng DPWH ang nagawin nila. Nakamonitor naman sila. Nandun naman ng mga tao nila, mga regional officers, para magsabi when they can come in. So that's what we're waiting for now. So wala we are at the mercy of the weather, as we always are. So we will just have to wait for the true effects of this typhoon, Christine. All right?